Dr. Jaffe, how do you approach retinitis pigmentosa?
Yes, retinitis pigmentosa means that when you look at the retina, you see pigment that shouldn't be there. And what is this pigment? It turns out it's debris that a healthy immune system would recycle, and that debris can build up to the point where it interferes with vision. So retinitis pigmentosa is a surprisingly common condition associated with deficiency of 3 or 4 essential nutrients, and they are magnesium, zinc, omega-3 fats, and carotenoids. Now, the one I want to pay special attention to is the carotenoid family, because there are a number of carotenoids that help the immune system recycle the pigment, the debris, that is the real cause and source of retinitis pigmentosa. And there are certain carotenoids that are particularly helpful. Lycopene, generally coming from tomatoes, but lycopene, and it must be free lycopene, not lycopene complex, not kind of sort of lycopene, it has to be real lycopene. And other carotenoids, because when you take one out of a family and take substantial amounts of that to achieve a benefit, be careful of imbalancing the whole family or the whole system. So we include the carotenoid family in our LifeGuard Super Multi. We include the carotenoid family in our liver protective formula. We include the carotenoid family in other essential supplements. And you can get lots of carotenoids by having lots of colorful foods lightly cooked, steamed or sauteed or cooked in a wok, but don't overcook. If it retains its bright color, that's perfect. If the color gets dull, it's overcooked and no longer as beneficial. So these are components of whole foods, and if you treat them with respect, they can be part of beneficial and functional supplements. And while we could pick out one of the carotenoid family, please understand it works best as a team, not as an individual. So yes, lycopene and lutein and certain other carotenoids have individually been identified as helpful in the retina and specifically for retinitis pigmentosa. When you include the magnesium with enhanced uptake choline citrate, when you include the zinc either as a lozenge or as a zinc bioavailable supplement, which of course would be the only thing we would recommend, then you can go on to reverse over about 2 years. It takes years to accumulate retinitis pigmentosa. My experience is that many people can reverse it to their amazement or pleasure of their ophthalmologist, but it takes a couple of years of persistence and doing the right thing. And what we've just said is the right thing. So please do it.